Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's work out this Leetcode problem 705 to 552. Open the log. So just imagine you have a suitcase or something, right? And on that one you have a log which starts with 40, and you will be also given a target that will unlock this lock. And what you need to do is return the minimum total number of turns required to open the lock. Every turn you can only turn one digit up for one or down for one. So and if it's not possible, you just return -1. So what does it mean? What does it say is impossible for unlocking a lock with a brute force way? Because there are constraints. Let's call it dead ends. That means if the lock display any of these codes, the wheel of the lock will stop turning and you will be unable to open it. Yeah, and let's take a quick look at this example. We have a list for the dead ends and a target which is 0 to 02, and possible no, not a possible a minimum turns sequence will be 40 to 1000, and again 1100, 1200, 1201, 1202, 0202. And why it's so complex is because there are multiple dead ends that block the way in the middle. Otherwise, it could be even shorter. So there's a principle for such questions that requires you to return the minimum turns or something, right? Basically, you need to apply BFS for such a question. DFS will not work because sometimes it cannot ensure it's the minimum path that you traverse for the problem. So here firstly we need to have a headset, and we need to make the dead ends add to the headset. So we need to use the array dots. I think it's at least, right? At least dead ends. You need to do some pre-processing for this data string array to initialize this headset, and you also need to have another headset. Let's call it visited. All right, and it will be initialized to be a empty one first, and we also need to have a queue. That will be the queue for the BFS, and yeah, and the last one will be the result integer. Let's initialize it to be 0, and while this queue is not empty, right? Actually it's empty right now, so we need to put in our first element, so it will not be empty now. And every time we will retry with size firstly, q.size, and for int I equal to 0, I less than size I plus plus, and we are gonna need to to do something like, let me see. Yeah, we firstly will pull one current element from the queue. Alright, and we will check if it's contained in the dead ends contains current. If it does, we need to continue the we will skip following codes, but we will continue this loop, right, for next element. And if also the target dot equals this current, we will return result. All right. And one more thing about this is we need to modify it now, right? Firstly, we will do something like this: j equal to 0, j less than the current dot length. Again, you need to add a bracket here, and j plus plus, and if no, not like this. Oh, all right. We are going to have some extra functions for this, but firstly we will just call it here. Let's name it go up or something, right? And if visited, maybe visited, right? Visited, yeah, it should be visited. To not contain this up, we will add it into the queue. And we will also add it into the visited hash set. Yeah, that should be good. And if visited dot contains down as well, right? Q dot add down visited add down as well, and also have a down here equal to go down. Yeah, I guess we need to pass in these two parameters to generate that mutated string. Yeah, we'll also need to add visited here, right? And 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Yeah, and finally, when it goes out of the this for loop, we need to plus our res. And one more thing, we need to, now we need to construct this go up function. Firstly, we will give in the string current int j, and yeah, let me see. Oh yeah, we also need to give this equal to the current dot to array to character array. Yeah, it should be all right, right? And if current dot array j equals to, let's say 9, we will make it to be 0 because there's nothing after 9, right? And else we will just add it with 1 to it, yeah, and we will return new string with the car array. All good. Yeah, the same does basically the go down will do the same thing, except for here is equal to 0 and it will be 9, and minus minus. Yeah, that should be good. Yeah, let's say if it work. Yeah, here it says not found. Yeah, maybe like this. Missing return. Oh yeah. If we can't reach that if we can't reach the target, we will need to return -1 according to the requirement of the question. Weird, quite weird. Why does this happen? Not good, not good. The logic should be alright, but I don't know why does this happen. Fuck, why does this happen? If maybe I should write like this. I don't know. So strange. So it comes to another problem. Why? Oh, sorry. It should be like this. Let's see if it works this time. Hopefully it works. Yeah, it works this time. Anyway, it's quite strange. You may made some very strange mistake. Yeah, but it's quite important to give a correct data structure, data type to corresponding one, and this one is about the difference between double equal mark and the dot equals function. And yeah, so if you enjoyed today's video, please like, subscribe, and recommend to your friend. Thank you very much.